Hi everyone, Kelly Shaffner here. Welcome to my channel, and I am so pleased that you popped in today to see what Bolzano Handbags sent me for my March handbag. I'm excited about seeing it. Bolzano never disappoints me. I've really enjoyed my Bolzano handbags, and I almost exclusively carry Bolzano handbags at this point. The owner, Leilani of Bolzano Handbags, does gift me with this monthly subscription in exchange for an honest review with my viewers. Now guys, today I have something really special. I have a giveaway. I'm sure you saw that in my thumbnail. Yes, it's a giveaway. I think it's going to warm your heart. And let me promise you, I will never, ever, ever ask my viewers to jump through hoops for a giveaway. So that's not going to happen. It's going to be very simple because I need to keep everything on my YouTube channel very simple just because that's the way I operate. So please stick around to the end and hopefully you can think of someone to share this video with. Let's just kind of spread the love. Now let's get into my March Bolzano handbags. Now, Leilani does gift me with this handbag, with this subscription in exchange for an honest review for my viewers. So that's what we're going to do today. I am very, very satisfied with my Bolzano handbags, and right now, I almost exclusively carry Bolzano handbags. Bolzano handbags is responsible for me changing up my handbags quite regularly. Everything you need to know about getting a subscription to Bolzano handbags is in the description box below. They offer a variety of subscriptions. This one is the Lux subscription. There is a high quality handcrafted handbag in here with some Lux beauty products or accessories included, and the price of everything inside this bag is only $43.95. I think I have mentioned in every single Bolzano review that I think this makes a lovely gift for your wife, your mother, your sister, a colleague, a friend. I think almost any woman I know would be really happy to receive a handbag from Bolzano Handbags. So keep that in mind as I share with you my March Bolzano handbag. Every handbag does come in its own dust bag with the Bolzano logo on it, and there's a card with the Bolzano ribbon on the top. Let's open it up and see what we have. Oh, okay. Oh, this one smells really good. All right, this is the bag. So you can see we have a gray bag, and it has kind of a chevron stitching on it and a chain. Okay, so there's, you see that? The Bolzano charm. This is really substantial as well, but look at, this is how it works. So this is the way I prefer to carry a bag, but you could have maybe, yeah, a crossbody. That would work. Okay, so I like that. That's pretty cool. Let's see. There's a zip top on it and no feet. Let's open it up and see what we think. Okay, we have the Lux goodies inside. I'll go over that in a moment. This is the inside of the bag. And we have a couple interior slip pockets as well as one interior zip pocket. There's quite a bit of room in this. I do like this. I don't often carry the crossbody, but this is a really nice size. I like a bigger bag, probably a bigger bag than most, and I think this is the perfect size for me for a crossbody, so I'm gonna wear it like this though. I'm pretty sure that's how I'll wear it. So there you have it. There is my March handbag. Now yours would be different based on your style profile, but I'm quite happy with this bag. I'm actually kind of looking forward to wearing it as a crossbody. We'll see how that works out. Here is the first of the luxury products. And again, this is a quilted coin purse with the Bolzano logo on it, the Bolzano charm. And, oh, there's stuff inside. Oh my gosh, what is this? Is this a necklace? This is so beautiful. Because if you know me, you know I love mixed metals. And this is actually a rose gold and silver, and it's on a gray cord. It will match my bag. and it is a long pendant necklace. This is so unusual. I've never seen anything like this, and I'm absolutely in love. Yeah, that's great. I kind of want it up a little bit higher so it's not around my midsection. I love this. It's awesome. And this bag is perfect. Really nice little coin pouch. And again, the logo, this charm is so substantial. It feels like very, very nice quality. And then there's a bag here. This is, let's see what is enclosed in my goodie bag from Bolzano. Ooh, pretty, very pretty. Okay, so this will match my necklace because these are just a beautiful classic silver hoop. Very pretty. I like these a lot, and I love to wear hoops, and that's the perfect size for me. Okay, and we have, what is this? Premium oil, a skincare set for face, hair, and body. So there's the oils. Are these essential oils? This is vitamin C premium face oil, vitamin A premium face oil, premium argan oil for hair. Yes, I just ran out of argan oil, and hemp oil for the body. Oh, I'm so happy to have this. I'm going to let you know in next month's review how I am enjoying these oils. I'm so excited to have it. And now I want to talk about the giveaway. Bolzano Handbags is sponsoring a very special giveaway, and it's not for you. And please don't click off the video. Please hear me out because I think this is very special and very needed right now. Leilani emailed me and asked me if I would like to participate in a giveaway for a woman in need. And I was like, yes, of course I do. I am all about that kind of life. And Leilani asked me to come to my viewers and ask me, do you know a woman in need? Do you? Do you know anyone that's in need? And in fact, let me ask you this. Do you have a need? Do you have a need right now? I do. And in fact, I'm guessing that all of us do. But more importantly, for me right now, I want to think about the women out there that are less fortunate, that really have a need. Do you know someone that is giving so much effort right now, that is caring for small children or caring for loved ones or working 2 jobs, 3 jobs? I don't know. I can think of lots of people out there. They are my heroes, these women that work so very hard and think of others. And it seems like they're never rewarded. Well, this giveaway is for them. The very first link in the description of this video is a link that will take you to a page where you can nominate that woman that is on your heart and on your mind at this very moment. And I urge you to do so. She has an opportunity to win a really nice prize just to pamper herself for a moment. And wouldn't that be such a gift to let someone know that you're thinking about them and that you have nominated them to win this really special prize? But even bigger than that, for a moment, I can get out of myself and my selfish needs, and I can think about someone else and celebrate the women around me, the women that I see. I have friends right now that are going into the hospitals and the healthcare systems to take care of our nation's sick. I know women right now that are unemployed and have babies to feed at home, and they are doing it with so much grace. It makes me ashamed to worry for myself. I see women in my neighborhood that are doing chores and tasks for other neighbors, and I celebrate them. I celebrate the beauty of all these women that are trying, and I know that they have a need too. I urge you to nominate your friends. I urge you to share this video, and maybe your friends will nominate you. The only things you have to do to enter this giveaway is click on the link, nominate your friend, be subscribed to my channel. It's free. Just hit the subscribe. And if you would like to leave a comment, that would be really cool. The winner of this contest, of this giveaway, will be selected in 30 days. Leilani from Bolzano Handbags and myself will work together to select that winner. Now, please be certain that you are subscribed to be eligible for for your friend to win this handbag, this wonderful gift. I do want to thank Bolzano Handbags for this really generous and altruistic gift. I think all of us could use a little pick-me-up about now, so that's kind of cool. And guys, you know, when I asked you if you were in need, because I think all of us have a need, and some of them may seem petty in the scope of all of it, and some of them are really big needs. And what I can offer you right now is prayer. I am a prayer warrior, and I believe very, very strongly in the power of prayer. So if you have a prayer request, just leave a note in the comments. You can just leave an emoji. You don't have to tell me your specific prayer request. Or if you would like to email me, my email is also in the description box below. I will always keep your confidence. If you would like to share the details of your prayer request, I am happy to pray for you. I would like to help in any way I can. You are not alone. We will shoulder our burdens together. That's why we are here. So please let me pray for you. If you don't believe, that's okay. I do. And I can pray for you. I would be happy to. Okay, I want to leave you with this quote that I heard many, many years ago. I think I was in college when I heard it. And you know how sometimes you hear a quote and it's like, I'm never going to forget it. This is by Henry James, and so now that I told you I want to give you a quote, an uplifting quote, I probably can't quote it correctly. It is Henry James. You can Google it and get the correct quote. But the idea behind this quote is there is only 3 things that are important in human life. And the first thing is kindness. And the second thing is kindness. And the third thing is kindness. Be kind to yourself. Blessings to all of you.